What is the process for Americans to obtain a visa for Vietnam? Attention all travelers. A hot topic right now is the process for Americans to obtain a visa for Vietnam. If you are considering a trip or relocation, you will want to know the steps involved. With travel to Vietnam becoming increasingly popular, understanding the visa process is essential for a smooth journey. First, Americans must determine the type of visa needed. Common options include tourist visas, business visas, and work visas. The type you choose will depend on your purpose for visiting Vietnam. Next, you will need to prepare the required documents. This typically includes a valid United States passport with at least 6 months of validity beyond your planned stay. You will also need a completed visa application and passport-sized photos. If you are applying for a work visa, an invitation letter from a Vietnamese employer is usually necessary. After gathering your documents, you can apply through official channels. Americans can apply for a visa at the Vietnamese Embassy or consulates in the United States. Many also opt for online visa services that offer electronic visas or visa on arrival letters. However, the embassy remains a reliable source for accurate processing. Once you submit your application, the visa approval and issuance process begins. Processing times can vary but typically take several business days. Once approved, your visa will either be stamped in your passport at the embassy or issued as an electronic visa for eligible types. Upon arrival in Vietnam, you will present your visa and passport to immigration officials. If you have a work visa, additional registration with local authorities may be required after you arrive. It is important to note that visa exemption policies do not currently apply to United States citizens, meaning a visa is mandatory for entry. Recently, the Vietnamese government has introduced some visa liberalization measures, but these mainly benefit citizens of certain other countries. For Americans planning to relocate to Vietnam for work or a long-term stay, securing the correct visa type is essential. This ensures compliance with local laws and access to services such as health care and housing. Starting the visa process early and consulting the Vietnamese Embassy or official visa websites is highly recommended.